Since 1919, Webster's Plumbing and Heating has been providing a range of services to the greater Bradley-Bourbonnais Illinois area. We're here to help with all of your plumbing, heating, and air conditioning needs. Family owned and operated, we are committed to amazing service for every customer. Webster's provides quick, reliable, high-quality repair and replacement services. We know how unpredictable Illinois weather is, which is why we offer 24-hour emergency services, so you never have to worry about your home in the sweltering heat or freezing cold. Simply give us a call at our emergency hotline, available 24/7. Our experienced and knowledgeable technicians are ready to diagnose and repair all of your heating and cooling problems. The professionals at Webster's can even help you replace your existing system with a new energy-efficient air conditioning system that will provide superior cooling and comfort, all while saving you money. If you're looking for the best in residential and commercial services, you can depend on the professionals at Webster's for all of your heating, cooling, and plumbing necessities. Give us a call at 815-939-3511 for more information, or visit us online.